This is the ARES 3 Pro, an always-on AMOLED screen display. Twist your wrist, bring it into full time, any watch face you want, and it looks beautiful. It's a really, really attractive watch overall. When you slide down, you get a bunch of different controls, changing your brightness, do not disturb, Bluetooth tethering for Bluetooth calling, got a nice speaker over here, microphone on this side, it works really well. You got a really bright flashlight integrated in this one, up to 1,000 nits with this watch. It's great, the ARES 3 Pro. Yeah, you got, of course, all your daytime activity, your step count, calories burned, distance traveled, the times you've done it during the day, and a summary of the last 7 days with an average of your walking for all that time. You got heart rate here. It'll give you your current heart rate, high and low, last 24 hours, or current time in the last 24 of your heart rate, and your average. You got your sleep information, light and deep is in here, weather information as well. Oh, by the way, you can also check out your last night's sleeping and see how you're doing, if you're sleeping more or less. Weather information too. A music player that'll stream the music from your phone right through the watch. Sounds really good. And of course, all of your activities, walking, running, hiking. No GPS module in this one, but you can get your tracks from the watch tied to your phone. You also have, when you tap here, all of your different apps. You got your calling things, voice assistant for Siri or Google, your workouts, all of your metrics and blood pressure, blood oxygen as well, using the red diode technology. Ladies, your female information's there. Stopwatches, timers, business cards, everything. Calculators, calendars even, and overall settings for changing the menu type, updating the display to change the always-on clock, say, to analog, or turn it off completely if you want to, and it'll look like that. Yep, this is the ARES 3 Pro. I like it. The bands are interesting. They're shiny, rubberized. The band integration with the bezel looks really, really good, and it's available right now. Check it out, guys.